What's going on, Ladder family? It's Alex Toussaint here, Senior Instructor for Peloton and Athletic Training Advisor. And today I'm gonna give you guys an inside scoop to my favorite post-ride recovery smoothie. Very simple, very effective. My go-to right here, all right? 2 ingredients, strawberries, pineapple, 3 technically, and your almond milk, whatever your choice is. So here's what we're gonna do. Take your pineapples, bang, right into the cup. Simple, right? Strawberries, bang, throw them right in. Now my go-to protein, Ladder Whey. Trying to tell y'all, they got vanilla, they got chocolate, but I'm a vanilla guy myself, all right? Make sure you get every last bit of this. Hold on. Get everything out of there. Perfect. Now, depending on how you like your smoothie, if you like a slushy, milky, whatever the case may be, that's on you. Add enough milk, water, whatever you add to it. Make sure it's right. Screw your cap on tight. Judy right there, baby. I normally blend for like 10, 15 seconds. Don't even go too crazy into it. If you want a little bit more slushy texture, you can add some ice. Perfect. This right here is everything today. Right into my Ladder go-to. Bang. We're good to go, baby. Ladder family.